Welcome back to Around the Armstrong Table. We're going to be doing some smash burgers today with some root beer caramelized onions. Oh, this is going to be good. So to get these smash burgers started, first we're going to start with the caramelized onions. And I have two medium-sized onions that are sliced up. And then I'm just going to get them into a skillet with some avocado oil and also a little bit of butter. And what you want to do is bring these up to temp. Once you get them into the pot, I'm going to quickly season the onions with some salt and pepper. And the reason I want to do that is because I want to get the onions sweating early, and it speeds up the cooking process, but I don't want to cook them too fast because I don't want the onions to burn. Also, please take the opportunity to like and subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate the growth that we're seeing. So back to the video, we added in some of that what's that here sauce, and then also had to throw in some AW root beer. And the root beer is going to add this nuttiness and background, a little bit of sweetness, and it just adds a great flavor to the caramelized onions. I add a little bit of brown sugar because I like my onions a little bit sweeter. You don't have to add this, but if you do add it, make sure you add it at the end because the brown sugar has a tendency to burn if you add it in early. Next, we're going to come in with some applewood smoked bacon. And I got the applewood smoked bacon on my griddle. What you want to do is get that moved around on the griddle because you're going to cook these burgers into that baking fat. Okay, and I put a little bit of salt on the griddle, and then I put the burgers right on top of that salt plus the baking fat. Added some more salt on top. That's all the seasoning really you're going to need. If you want to throw more seasoning on there, that is up to you. Salt is to taste, and I'm okay with it. Now that you got the burgers on there, go ahead and smash them down. And here's the thing about this. There's no pretty way to do smash burgers. They don't have to be perfectly shaped. All you want is that crust and that caramelization at the bottom of that burger, and that's what you want. Once you have that, you know you're doing it the right way. I mean, just look at that. Come on, man. Add in some old-fashioned yellow American cheese, and your smash burgers are pretty much done at that point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the smash burgers aside. Go ahead and add in our buns to just a dry skillet. I used some of that residual fat to coat the buns at the bottom, so that's why you didn't see me add any butter or anything like that. Next, I'm going to do a barbecue mayo. That's going to include whatever mayonnaise you want to use, some honey barbecue sauce, some apple cider vinegar, and also some of that what's that here sauce and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Okay, that sauce is done. You put it to the side and start assembling your burger. So you put that sauce on the bottom bun, the burger, some bacon, then you get that top bun, put that same sauce, a little bit of lettuce and tomato, and your burger is done. Pair it up with some tater tots and of course some root beer, and you got yourself a delicious burger. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel. Guys, thank you for all the support and the watching. And then also, I always have the list of ingredients listed below, so you have the full description of how to make any of the recipes that I show you guys today.